Hello everyone and welcome. This is Dawn. I'm so glad you could join me. Today I'm going to be sharing how I made this quick and easy card using the Whimsy Stamps toner card fronts. I love these toner card fronts. You get 4 different designs and you're going to get 2 of each of the designs. I'm going to use this design right here, the roses. You're going to be amazed at how quick and easy it is to make this card. So let's get started. First, I take a piece of parchment paper and I like to put a piece of cardstock down to act like a shim. It helps to make sure you get good coverage on the toner front, but it also depends on the laminator machine you're using. I place my toner front card front on top of the piece of cardstock, and then I cut a piece of Deco foil down to the size I need and I place it decorative side up. I'm using the pewter color today. And then I'm going to run it through my laminator. I'm going to gently peel the foil off of the toner card front. And look at how beautiful that came out. It's so shiny and it just makes for a striking card front. Next, I decided I wanted to have the card front have a torn look to it. So I just ripped the card front towards me. This way you get kind of like a white torn border on it. Then I want to fit it on an A2 size card front, and I want to have room to add my sentiment at the bottom, so I trimmed it down to about 2 3/4 by 5.5. And next I'm going to use the Many Thanks word die. However, I didn't use the word many, I only wanted to use the thanks word, so I'll save the many for another project. And I die cut 3 of the thanks from white cardstock. I take a piece of white craft foam and I adhere it to the back of the rose card front. It will really look nice raised up on the card because it adds dimension to the card front. I adhere the 3 thanks word dies together so it has the same dimension as the rose card front. I adhere the rose card front to the card base. Then I adhere the thanks word to the card front. And already the card is almost done. Now I'm just going to dress it up with some silver shiny string. I basically take a bunch of string. You can use as much or as little as you want. I chose to use quite a bit. I wanted it to really stand out on the card. And I just keep wrapping it around the card front until all the string is used up. And then I basically tie it in a knot. And then I use my tweezers to help hold it in place so I can tie another knot. And then here's a little trick that I use. I also add some glue where the knot is, and this helps to keep it from untying. And then I'm just going to tie it into a bow. And to finish off the card, I adhere 1 silver confetti to the center of the bow just to give it that little extra something on the bow. This card was so quick and easy to make. You could whip them out in different colors and give them as gift sets, or when you need to make a quick thank you card for someone. And I think for how quick it took me to make this card, they're just very elegant looking, and I think someone would really love to have it. Well, that's it for me for today. I want to thank you for joining me on the Whimsy Stamps YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed my card. I would love for you to leave a comment below and let me know what you think of it. We would love for you to subscribe to the Whimsy Stamps channel and their other social media platforms so you don't miss out on any upcoming releases and great inspirational videos. Also, check out their website for all their new releases. As always, thanks for stopping by and have yourself a wonderful day.